Hi my beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share how to do a perfect eyebrow shapes by using brown and black gel liner when you are going to do makeup. This is the important highlight part in makeup. When you are going to do makeup, this gives you a cute, lovely, dramatic look to your face. So let me say something. The difference between brown and black gel liner when you are going to do eyebrow shades. Before that, if you have any excess part of hair near eyebrows, remove that by using eyebrow thread, eyebrow trimmer or any wax. This is my way to clean off hair near eyebrows. When I am going to trim and shape my eyebrows, I just build up with downward position to the upper forehead. And to my eye bone, I am using small shaper and moving in sidewards. And to the middle of my eyebrows, I am going to build up by using large trimmer and moving it in downward position. Now just remove excess part of hair from face by using tissue. And for a thicker and shaper look, I am using eyebrow shaper and building it in downward position to the upper part of eyebrows. By that I can get a good shaped eyebrows. And for the final look, just brush off the eyebrows to set in a good way. This is the best thing which you need to do when you are going to do makeup. And for a good hair growth and relaxation of eyebrows, I am using aloe vera gel liner and spreading it to my eyebrows and gently massage at least for 2 minutes for a good relaxation. Finally, this is the time to start up the eyebrows by using gel liner. For the left eyebrow, I am using brown gel liner by using synthetic eyebrow brush. So, observe me carefully at what directions I am going to fill up my eyebrows. Using little bit of gel liner and spreading it in upper eyebrows until it sets in a good thick line. And for the middle of eyebrows, I am blending my brush in downwards and spreading the liner in innerwards. If you are doing outerwards, it collapses your eyebrows. So make sure to do in innerwards. And brown eyebrows, it looks very cute and natural look when you are going to do a soft and daily routine makeup looks. This will be perfect for that makeup tutorials. And after filling liner, I am using eyebrow string and brushing my eyebrows to sit in a good look and good shape. And same process I am going to repeat to right eyebrow by using black gel liner. Spreading little bit of black liner to upper eyebrow and fill up in innerwards by using eyebrow brush. This black gel liner eyebrow look, this will be perfect for any broad makeup looks and party makeup looks and also bridal makeup tutorials. When you are going to do this black eyebrows, this look so broad and it gives you a very full flexed look and lovely look to your face. After filling liner, brush up by using eyebrow string until it sets in a good shape. Finally, this is the different looks of eyebrows. This is so cool and simple cute eyebrows. Loving it so much. And let me draw lining of my eyes. Why not? Let me do it. By that I can get a complete lovely look to my eyes. For this I am using black gel liner and lining it in a good way. When you are going to draw a single straight line to eye, it will collapse your eye look. So make sure to draw by taking lots of lines, by that you can get the shape of eyeliner. Finally, this is my lovely eyebrow look with 2 shades of gel liner. Let me know which shade of eyebrows it looks cute to me. Let me know in my comment bar. For more videos, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Bye.